So let's dive in and add a whimsical meadow foreground to this beautiful image just to kind of frame and top it off. So if you haven't already watched video tutorial number 1 and you're unsure about extracting and zipping the florals that you've downloaded or using the actions, please watch video number 1. We're just going to dive straight in with a drag and drop. And for this one we're using the Bluebell Meadow Whimsy Overlays, and once you've downloaded you can see them all inside. So for this one, because it's got the beautiful red flowers, I'm going to drop in one of the meadow foregrounds. Which one shall we go for? How about just the poppies, because that just really goes with the reds in this image. So I'm just going to drag and drop. You can also use the actions to apply these if you want to. If you use the actions to apply, you will also get a layer mask created for you, or you can do so manually by clicking on the little rectangle with the circle in. I'm just going to take a brush and take this one away. And just to open up for our subject. So there we have before and after, literally drops straight in. And if you want to, you can add some blur. You can use the blur paint on the actions, or you can manually go filter and blur. So I'm just going to add that in so we've got that real kind of foreground look. And I think I'm going to darken these down by clicking the darken down action, just to match the scene a little more. Perhaps painting that off this middle section. Maybe a little contrast pop as well. And there we go. Just one overlay added with a couple of tweaks. This overlay here, before and after. Really cute. And you can watch the other tutorials over on the LSP Actions website under the video tutorial library, overlays, and then click on the botanics. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.